Good morning and welcome to Pay Adventures. We are in Luang Prabang Morning Market behind us. Let's go check this out.
This.
Oh,
That's
got
fish.
some grilled fish in the morning.
Fish. I think it's like a chili.
Fritters. Whoa, that's got a lot of flies on it.
Honeycomb. There's a grilled sticky rice. It's like our childhood food.
This is honeycomb.
And you can have with the grilled honeycomb, you see?
Yeah.
There's a grilled honeycomb and eat with the
Oh, grilled honeycomb.
sticky rice. So sticky rice
Look
dip in the egg
Yeah.
and then grill.
Wow. Well, look at these fish. Fresh fish. Whoa, what is that thing there? Looks like balls. You see that thing there?
What thing?
The thing in the thing with all the
I think fish egg.
fish.
Roll.
Turmeric and chili on the floor here. Wow, this is cool, hey, this place.
We're gonna go to the left, do your turn and go.
Okay, let's go around.
Or this one shorter. We do this one first and go get out there.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
What's that?
It's cake flour.
Oh, this is a breakfast spot.
Yeah.
You want, oh, with congee.
I think this one is famous. It's on a YouTube channel.
Really? Do we have time to get a congee?
Or it could be rice soup.
Yeah, it looks like congee to me.
No. But the way they eat here, they add that noodles, and then they put this like thickened soup.
Right.
Called Topia.
Yeah. Looks like Chinese noodles.
Yeah. It's like Chinese food.
Chinese. They got a lot of China influences here, hey, because it's so close to the border.
Yeah.
Oh, they just slaughtered something today.
Does that book? I was gonna book this place. You know that green thing? It's like a superfood now.
This one?
Yeah, it's like a viral. It's high in chlorophyll and fiber. It's growing in water.
Whoa, look at these sausages, they're huge.
This is like bánh quẩy.
Oh, yeah? This is the fermented pork we had last night. Yum.
Because you love it so much, so now you kind of like can spot.
Oh, they do the best barbecues in Laos, eh? More fermented pork. What are these things? What's this coconut pandan? Yummy.
This, I think this is a typical Lao food.
Hmm?
See, I said it's like bamboo base.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, eating noodles. What's going on there?
See, she sell like, it's like a banh mi.
She.
With the khao ji.
Oh.
See, you see, everyone khao ji.
What's that? That's the
Banh mi.
banh mi. Oh, it's all desserts.
โอ้ยเดี๋ยวกินเหล้าแล้วเอ้ยขึ้นทางหมอเทมมาว่าโอ้ยตายห่ามันชุบตัวจะมาชอบเลยลูกเติมเลย
Salted
Look at
egg.
this mushroom.
Hmm? Oh, is that? Preserve egg.
Yeah, century egg.
Country egg. No honeycomb here.
Look at this. You see crabs?
Oh,
เต่าเถื่อนนะเอาแต่ที่ซื้อกับ
crabs.
ระบบกินเลยระบบไปเทบุญเลยเนาะ
Love crabs. So much fresh ingredients. It's all the fresh fruit and veg.
Oxtail.
What is it?
Oxtail.
Oxtail. Oh, they just
It
chopped
could
it
be
off.
buffalo.
Huh? Buffalo tail.
Yeah, it's like buffalo skin.
Buffalo skin. And that one there is oxtail, is it? What is that? Is that just wood? Oh.
ยักเมื่ออยู่ไว้บ้ามันเมื่อ
Oh no, look at this.
Huh? What is that?
Bird.
What is it?
Oh my god.
What's that doing there?
Ja, aber guck mal, da liegt direkt das
Vogel.
Oh, man stuck now.
Ist verboten, ne? Aber
Scary.
Nee, ich
Why
weiß
do
ja
they
nicht.
put that there?
Habe ich irgendwann auch nicht.
Oh, pandan leaf.
Pandan.
You can make pandan cake with that.
Yeah. I believe that bunch is $1.
Jackfruit.
Yep.
Don't need to go to a restaurant. Just buy everything here and cook it at home.
Yeah.
Peanuts to end it. Okay guys, that's it from the Luang Prabang Morning Markets. We'll see you on the next video.